In the wake of the spurt in COVID-19 cases in some parts of the country, the Manipur government has made RT-PCR test mandatory for air passengers arriving at the state from 8 states at Imphal Airport. As per a media report, the health department officials said these 8 states are Maharashtra, Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan and Haryana. In the highest single-day spike in 2021, India recorded 40,953 fresh COVID-19 infections in the last 24 hours, while 188 deaths took the toll to 1,59,558, the dashboard of the Union Health Ministry showed this morning. This is the highest surge in 111 days. As on November 29th, a total of 41,810 new infections were recorded in a span of 24 hours. With this hike, the number of active cases in the country went past 2.8 lakh and settled at 2,88,039, the report said. Opponents of Myanmar's coup today protested again as international pressure on the military junta to halt its repression of pro-democracy supporters increased, with Asian neighbors joining Western countries in condemning lethal force. According to Reuters, 2 people were killed when soldiers opened fire overnight in the northern ruby mining town of Mogok, the Myanmar Now news portal reported. Chairman and Managing Director of Shija Hospitals, Dr. K.H. Palin, today flagged off a cycle rally from Western Kangla Gate in Imphal city to mark the World Head Injury Month. The rally was organized by Shija Hospital and Manipur Adventure and Mountain Biking Association. Around 50 bikers took part in the rally, which covered Keshampad, Uripok, Rims Road before ending at Shija Hospital. Under the aegis of Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation, a one-day workshop cum orientation program for 18 major tribal languages of Manipur on role of oral tradition literature in language is underway at the Manipur Press Club in Imphal. As part of the media campaign Know Your Sanctuaries and Wetlands, a team of journalists today left Imphal for Ukhrul district. The media team started the trip from Manipur Press Club in Imphal. The media campaign is organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union (AMJU) under the sponsorship of Forest Department and Directorate of Environment and Climate Change. The team will visit Kayangpat, Kachaubungpat and Siroi National Park in Ukhrul district. Justice for Sanathan Athopam staged a sit-in protest today at Mang Lampak demanding justice for the 5th semester MBBS student of RIMS. The protesters demanded stringent punishment for the culprits and disclosure of his post-mortem report to the public. RIMS Director Professor Dr. A. Santa Singh, Director RIMS and IDA Manipur Branch President Dr. T. Nabachandra Singh today flagged off a cycle rally to mark World Oral Health Day. The day was observed on the theme Be Proud of Your Mouth.